bottle. Do you know any English word rain?
Come rain, come shine.
Come rain or shine.
It's raining cats and dogs.
It's raining blueberries.
What about the lexical figure of the word rain?
Yes, there are a lot. Rainy,
Rain.
rainer, rains, rainbow, rainbow, rainforest. And do you know any synonyms?
Yes, shower, precipitation.
How do you say rain in Spanish?
Lluvia,
And English?
choice.
Oh, it's raining!